Mũingĩ wa kaunti ya Meru waya kwaga motungata ma ũrigitani kuma tarĩki 1 mweri wa kanana thutha wa maabithaa a ikĩro ciothe cia ũheani wa motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kuga nĩ mekũiga mĩro yao thĩ, makiuga ona thutha wa kũiguana na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru igũrũ rĩgiĩ nyongerera ya mĩcara na maabithaa makĩria kwandĩkwo mawĩra. Gũkinya rĩu gũtirĩ ũndũ ũhanĩkĩte.
The reason why people are going on strike is because we had a previous agreement which was an agreement on another agreement that has not been implemented. So our people are feeling disgruntled and disrespected by this county government. And to that respect, that strike still stands.
Maugĩte thirikari ya Gavana Kawĩra Mwangaza ndĩrekĩrĩra ũhoro wĩgiĩ motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ thibitarĩ-inĩ cia thirikari cia kaunti ĩyo na ndĩreciria igũrũ rĩa mũingĩ.
Today we held up in a meeting that we've not resolved any issue, particularly on the implementation of the agreement that we expected to be done, that we developed 17th of November 2023. So our position as nurses is that nurses have told us that they shall embark on a strike, and we expect all the levels of our facilities in this county, from level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5, that no services that shall be offered come Thursday, the 1st of August 2024.
We were invited by the county government to address those issues, and it has come out very clear. Their submission is a confirmation of being in action, for doing nothing. And therefore, they have also confirmed that there is no budget to promote our healthcare workers.
Rĩu maugĩte matirĩ na wĩki tiga kũrũgamia motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ikĩro-inĩ ciothe, marĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ rita rĩrĩ thirikari nĩ ĩkũmathikĩrĩria.
Even on the very least, even the common cadres that were issued with letters, those particular letters have not been implemented. And that is the reason as to why we issued a strike notice that is expiring on Wednesday night. And that particular strike in Meru County shall commence on 1st of August 2024 at 8 a.m.
So we are saying this time round, the government has reason, signed the cognition agreement with us according to law, promote healthcare workers. And they have to bring a plan. They have to show us that they have intention to do it, because they have no intention, they have no commitment to promote healthcare workers in Meru County, because they have not been budgeted for it in their budget, but they are telling us to wait for the budget.
Nĩ gũkoretwo na mageca harĩ ũheani wa motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ rungu rwa kaunti thutha waguo gũtwarwo rungu rwa thirikari cia kaunti nĩ gatiba njerũ ya mwaka wa 2010. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũchoki.